What is the most powerful sound in the universe? Is it a bomb? A scream? A rocket launch? No! It is the sound you make before you can say anything else. It is the source code of human speech. And 2,000 years ago, one man realized that this simple sound holds the secret to the entire universe. Welcome to the 7-word sage. Most of us are just running apps, worrying about money, likes, and traffic. But Thiruvalluvar, he was looking at the operating system. He wrote, Agara mudala ezutellam, just as the letter A is the beginning of all letters. Think about it. Try to say any word without opening your mouth. You can't. Ah is the sound of breath hitting air. It is the raw material of every language on earth. Then he drops the hammer. Adi Bhagavan Muthatre Ulagu. So is the primal source the beginning of all worlds? He isn't just talking about religion, he's talking about causality. No A, no language, no source, no reality. You cannot have the fruit without the root. When your life feels chaotic, when the apps are crashing, stop. Go back to the root directory. Acknowledge the source that powers you. Because if you forget the beginning, you will never reach the end. I am the 7-word sage.